Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LDSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider that not that long ago the price was down there, and then you fast forward to the price closing right there on Friday after a pretty rough close, and now all of a sudden the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around an area that I've already talked about, and that's right here at 009. And 009 brings about our first update too, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 009. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back some, comes down here, behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying make progress as 009. As far as levels of resistance and where sellers are currently kind of hanging out at, key level right now in my mind seems to be right up here around, what is that, 0.012. So 0.012, public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, in my opinion at least, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just building higher bases and putting in those higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being put into place, everything else will fall into place, including breaking areas of resistance. So very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.